Hey everyone, this is Punit Mahajan from punitmahajan.com, and in this video I'll be talking about the Apple's iOS 14's new ad restrictions on the whole ad industry. So if you have seen this newspaper ad, Facebook has been coming out and they have been criticizing Apple for their new ad policy, and they have been clearly mentioning that average small business advertisers stands to see a cut of over 60%. In this video I'll be talking about how this change really affects Facebook media buyers like us and what we need to do in order to tackle such change. So if you see this official document from Facebook, they have been planning to tackle this issue with couple of steps. So first step is they are planning to operate with 8 conversion events per domain. So this might not be a huge deal when it comes to e-commerce businesses, because we usually optimize for purchases, add to carts, or even landing page views sometimes. But when it comes to software businesses or any other type of businesses that has over 8 conversion events per domain, then you have to restrict to 8 conversion events per domain only. So this is kind of an issue that is happening with the small businesses, and this is why they are fighting for these new ad policies. If you are planning to operate at 8 conversion events, I highly recommend bring it down to 8 most important conversion events per domain. And they have also mentioned that you need to complete domain verification. This was there before as well, but now they have been particularly mentioning this. Another issue that will be happening is mostly for tracking purpose. So if you see this other document, even if you verify your website domain, this might create tracking issues. For e-commerce businesses, this might not be a huge deal because we are usually optimizing for purchases, but on the tracking side there are reporting limitations of this change as well. You may face delayed reporting here are the targeting limitation that we will be facing is, as more people opt out of tracking on iOS 14 devices, the size of your app connections, app activity, custom audiences and website custom audiences may decrease. So this is particularly going to affect the small businesses, as the custom audience size may be small in such cases, as the budget is small. Another suggestion that we get from Facebook side is, if you use multiple domains in your catalog, verify each website domain that you use as a product URL and avoid using any product URLs that redirect to another domain. So if you go back to the step where they have mentioned us for verifying their domain, so first thing I would be suggesting is going and verifying the domains, be it your domain, be it your client's domain inside your business. So in order to verify a domain, just go to business.facebook.com and then select your business that you are going to verify. It can be your client's business or it can be your personal business as well. And then move on to business settings, and under brand safety you will find domains here. So go to your business settings and then under brand safety click on domains and add your domain here. So in my case it is punitmahajan.com, and this might give you an issue here. It will not be displayed here. Just refresh this page and you have it. And there are 3 different methods that you can do verification from, but I would suggest going for meta tag verification if you are on WordPress, or you can send these steps to your web developer and he can configure this for you. Just click on verify and your domain will be verified in this. The only way to know this is verified or not is the status here. When it turns green, it is verified. So this was a step that Facebook has been recommending us, and it is going to be very interesting to see how Facebook is going to deal with such restrictions and how Facebook ads are going to perform with such restrictions. So this was it for the video, and I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel, because I'll be putting more such tutorials about Facebook ads in coming weeks.